Segment number 3. Call for a national emergency. Here we shift again, this time to propose solutions. The DOH is studying whether HIV should be declared a national public health emergency. Lexical clues like maganda magkaroon tayo ng public health emergency act as unclear transition. The tone also becomes more hopeful. Instead of just reacting to a numbers, we now move to what can be done. A speaker, Kael Mata, an HIV positive community organizer, is introduced here. This is a subtle but important cue. When we shift from narrator only to a first-hand voice, it often signals a new angle of perspective. This segment starts developing the main issue into a larger conversation. It introduces stakeholders, potential solutions, and gaps in implementations. Like the lack of support from some LGUs, now we're no longer just reacting to a crisis. We're looking at the system's response. Segment number 4. Root causes and stigma. This part dives into one of the root causes, stigma in lack of protection. The report explains how social media, dating apps, and hookup culture might contribute. But the real problem is lack of access to protections, not the platforms themselves. The shift happens when the line, "there is nothing wrong with sexual contact if you do it safely." That's both a lexical and tonal signals of a new subtopic. Visual cues like blurred apps, screens, condoms, and health centers highlight the sensitive but practical nature of the discussion. These segments adds complexity. It doesn't blame, teach, or behavior. It focuses on the missing support systems like condoms access and sex educations. This introduced a barrier to preventions, deepening our understanding of the issue. Segment number 5. Access to services. The next section shifts against the treatment and testing access. The QR code for treatments hubs is shown. We hear the testing is available even the minors, no parental consent required. Transitional phrases like maliban sa mga pampublikong ospital signal a broadening of scope of suggesting a range of solutions. Tone-wise, this section is more informative. It's like to report pauses from the emotional appeal and turns to practical steps. These segments gives viewers tools and hope. The issue feels less overwhelming when solutions like free testing and antiretroviral drugs are clearly laid out. Segment number 6. Final message and prevention tools. The final segment delivers a powerful message. HIV is not death sentence. This reframes the disease from something fearful, something manageable, much like high blood pressure. This is a prosodic shift. The reporter's tone softens and slows down. Key lexical phrases like maintenance and PrEP guide the discussion toward long-term prevention. It closes the story on reassuring yet informative note. The audience is left with a clear idea. The situation is a serious but not hopeless. It also encourages action before infection even happens, emphasizing prevention over just treatment. To my conclusions, so how effective in this news report? Well, I'd say it's very effective, probably a 4 out of 5. The transitions between topics are smooth and supported by strong lexical signals, changes in tone and visual aids. Each subtopic from stats to youth cases to stigma to solutions builds on the last. It's not just for informative, it's also well placed. Ulitin ko.